Hi everyone. I hope you all had a restful break. So for a little refresher, the agency that I'm working at, it's like a behavioral school setting, and they have a few different programs. So the program I'm at, it's a short-term assessment center. So it's where kids who are like struggling at their current school, the school will pay to send them to us for like 40 to 45 days to be assessed. And during that time, we'll take data, we'll support them however we think is needed. And then at the end of that time, we write up a report with the suggestions that we found to be the most helpful and what this kid needs. And then at that point, it's up to the public school to either provide it or pay to send them somewhere else. So yeah, I really like it a lot. I mean, I definitely love working with children, especially on the mental health side of things. My previous job was similar in that I worked with children with mental health, but I didn't work in a school. So I really enjoy working from like the school perspective. In the past, I've worked with schools. Like I had a lot of kids that I worked collaboratively with. Worked collaboratively with their school to support them, but I've never worked like in a school. So I think that's been really like good to learn. And it's been a little bit of a challenge because it definitely is different. There's more politics involved and, I'm learning more about like the policies and all this stuff. So it is different working in a school. Like I've definitely come up with some issues that I probably wouldn't have faced at my community agency. So it's interesting, but it's a good learning process for sure. Another challenge is that these kids are only there, for a couple months at a time. So there's a lot of in and out and, you build a relationship with the child and they're gone. So that's also a struggle too. And then, third challenge I can think of is also just being an intern. I'm not there every day. So it's hard, to really build relationships with kids. I mean, I've been successful doing it, but I definitely wish I was there every day, which I guess I could be there every day if I wanted to, but there's no need if I'm getting my hours. But yeah, I think that's another challenge too. It's just not being there every day. Like I don't work there. But overall, I enjoy it a lot. And I think, yeah, I kind of went a little out of order with everything. But yeah, there's been some challenges, but I've been learning pretty much like what it's like to work in a school. And I really like the experience so far. So look forward to working with you this semester. Bye.